Good morning, second grade math friends. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Today you will be practicing reading story problems and subtracting or adding to find the answer. If you need review on addition or subtraction, you can go ahead and click on the links here within your Google Classroom. You'll have to open up your Google Classroom if you haven't already and click on the links and it will pop up BrainPop Junior. Remember, the username is 112CHN. The password is star, STAR, and you can watch the videos to review subtraction and addition. When you are completing pages 235 and 236 today, you need to make sure that you have a math mountain and an equation to go with each story problem. Remember, good mathematicians always show their work. Then once you have your equation and your math mountain, you can go ahead and put your answer in the box here with the label. When you are done, if you're in Mrs. Mennert's homeroom, I would like you to take a picture of both pages and upload it to Seesaw. If you are in Miss Go's homeroom, I'd like you to have your mom or dad look it over, or you can take a picture of it and email it to Mrs. Mennert at mettertg@district112.org. So if you go and you find your math pages, they will look like this. Pages 235 and 236, you have 7 story problems to complete. So I want you to, the first one, it says Teresa has 45 blocks. Then she finds 29 more blocks under the couch. How many blocks does Teresa have? So I want you to go ahead and draw a math mountain on the side. And I want you to think to yourself, do we know the total yet? It says, how many blocks does Teresa have now? She has 45 blocks to start with, but then she finds 29 more. So we can identify we don't know the total yet. So I'm going to put an unknown box at the top of my math mountain, and then my two add-ins are 45 plus 29. So then I'm going to go ahead and put my equation. I'm going to write 45, Mrs. Metter has to figure out how to write on here, plus 29 in vertical form, and then an equal sign, and I'm going to go ahead and add. So I start with my ones cup. 9 plus 5 is, pound count, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I carry my 1 in my tens cup. I made a new group of 10. And I drop my 4, and then I add 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4, 5, 6, plus 1 more, 7. So I'm going to put my answer here with my label. And if I forget what my label is, then I can read the question again. How many blocks does Teresa have now? My label is blocks. Okay, then if I go on to the next one, it says the second grade art students make 163 masks. The art teacher displays 96 of the masks. How many masks are not displayed? So if I put my math mountain to the side, I have to think, do I know the total? Yep, they started with a total of 163 masks, so that's going to go at the top of my math mountain. Then the art teacher only puts up, she displays 96 of them. So that's one of my addends. So I'm going to put it at the bottom. And then my other addend is my unknown. So I can put my minuses that we like to do and my plus in the middle of my addends. And I can see that I'm going to do 163, take away 96. So in order to do that, I need to set up my equation on the side, 163 minus 96 to solve. Okay, remember if the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, we go next door and we knock, knock, knock. Okay, otherwise I can ask myself, if I have 3, can I take away 6? Nope, so I have to go next door and ungroup a 10 cup. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you. Either email me or reach out to me via Seesaw.